Hey everyone, I'm Dylan with ON1, and today I'm going to show you how to export your Apple photos from your iPhone library into ON1 Photo RAW 2018. If you're like me and you love taking photos with your iPhone as well as your camera, then this is a great way to import your mobile photos into Photo RAW. I like to export from my Apple photos as soon as I get back from a vacation or a weekend trip because it allows me to cull through all of my mobile photos super fast. Say you get back from a zoo trip with your family and you want to make an album of all the photos. This will help you save time when trying to download all of those photos from your phone. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have either your phone plugged in or your iCloud photo library is synced. And now you want to make sure you're in the Photos application on your computer. I actually took a trip to the San Diego Zoo last year and took a bunch of iPhone photos while I was there. So I've navigated to that set of photos in my timeline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the series of photos that I want. Now that I have them selected, I'm going to go to File, head down to Export, and I'm going to select Export Unmodified Originals. Selecting the Unmodified Originals option exports the photos how they were taken, so there's no compression or loss in quality when you export. Once you select that, a dialog will pop up. This allows you to rename your files. If you want to rename, just go to File Name and select Sequential. Now for the prefix, I'm going to name mine SD Zoo Trip. And I don't want my photos in a subfolder, so I'm not going to change that control. So let's export, and now we can choose the destination for our photos. I'm going to save mine in my desktop. I'll make a new folder, and I'll name it Apple Photos. I'm going to select Export, and when it's done, you'll see a notification in the right-hand corner saying they are done exporting. Now that they're exported, let's go into Photo RAW. If you select the computer screen icon on your sidebar here, it will take you to your computer's desktop. And I'll just click my Apple Photos library folder, and voila, there's all of the photos we imported, and they are all renamed and ready for organizing and editing. The great thing about Photo RAW is how fast its browsing capabilities are, so it's easy to go through and organize your mobile photos. When I'm culling through, I like to use the 5 key to mark the ones I like, and the 1 key to mark the ones I don't like. That will rate them a 1-star or a 5-star. So if I cull through some of these photos by hitting 1 and a 5, I can then head back into the thumbnail view and navigate down to the sorting controls. And if I select sort by rating and I select descending, now all of the photos I've liked are on the top and the ones I don't like are on the bottom. You can easily delete the ones you don't want or grab the ones you want to head into develop or effects for further processing. So there you go guys, that's how to easily export your Apple's photo library into ON1 Photo RAW 2018. I'm Dylan with ON1 and thanks for watching.